At the request of the Wyoming Air National Guard, the 219th Red Horse Squadron out of Montana is spending several weeks building a hammerhead onto the tactical airstrip located on Camp Guernsey Joint Training Center in Guernsey, Wyoming. What's a hammerhead, you ask?
Hammerhead is this big strip at the end of the runway, turnaround area, basically, cul-de-sac. It's a giant cul-de-sac.
And why the 219th out of Montana?
We have special capabilities that your standard CE squadron will not have. We get tasked with doing helo strips, runways, we have well drilling teams, we have demolition teams, we have quarry operations, we have directional drilling. You name it, we can do it.
And what does it take to build a giant cul-de-sac big enough to turn a C-130 around on a dirt airstrip in the middle of Wyoming?
Quite a bit of engineering goes into this because first you have to grub off the top, all the organic soils. You have to get down to your subgrade, stabilize that. We just did a compaction test this morning, passed with flying colors. Our guys stayed late last night, make sure that this all could happen. So far we're utilizing lots of bulldozers, graders, rollers, just the works, your heavy construction equipment.
I've been running an excavator a little bit. We're taking out some of the high spots in the ditch and trying to knock them down so that it drains properly and we don't get pools. And we've also been working a little bit laying out the culvert project, trying to find out where our center line is, and we had to take some extra dirt out so that we could pack properly, and we're just making sure everything goes smooth.
And this airman's impression of Camp Guernsey Joint Training Center?
Outdoorsy Montana feel, except for it's Wyoming.
It's pretty cool when this field back here, it's barren and empty, and then at the end of the project or end of a hard day, you can look back and say, we did that.
Reporting for Wyoming Air Guard Public Affairs, this is Senior Master Sergeant Rob Trivia.